Yeah, baby. Wags came through for me this morning. I cannot believe this. Walgreens came through. So, okay, I am so super excited. I had a spend 25 perks coupon, get a $6 Walgreens cash. And also on my account has been sitting, I believe it was if you spend $15, I believe it was 4 or 5 times, you get $7 in Walgreens cash. I didn't remember anything about that. I wasn't working towards that. But today, I don't know what happened, but Wags came through. So the chic this week, these are 4.90, not 4.90, 5.99 each. And when you buy three, I would say when you buy three, you get $3 in Walgreens cash. The Irish Spring, these are $4.99. When you buy two, you get $5 in register reward. The Colgate this week, these are $2.99 each, and when you buy two, you get a $4 register reward. The Dove is the same as last week. They are $7. And if you go into your Walgreens app, there is a $7 digital. Send that to your card. We'll talk about the Shea Moisture in a second. So let's move it from here so we don't get confused because as I said, Wags came through. So, okay, from my calculation, okay, I am doing this spend 25, get a $6 Walgreens cash. So the only two Walgreens cash transaction was me spending 25, getting 6, and me buying 3 chic and getting 3 Walgreens cash because the Colgate, the Dove, and the Irish Spring is on a register reward deal. So all these items here subtotal $47.93. I had a $2 digital for the Colgate. I used a dollar digital for the one of the Irish Spring, and I used a dollar coupon that came in today's inserts. For the Chic, I used a $4 digital, and I used two $4 digital, $4 coupon that came in today's inserts. And for the Dove, I use that $7 digital, so that's $23 in coupons. Let's take our time. My subtotal was $47.93, and I had $23 in coupons. Now, I had a $4 register reward that I got from last week. So, with my understanding, I was supposed to pay $20.93 out of pocket and get $22 back. But yeah, but when the cashier touch and touch and touch and touch and then I see I'm left to pay $11.93. I'm like, okay, let me show you guys the receipt. I don't know if you guys can explain and tell me what happened. Here is the Irish Spring. Colgate to at $2.99. Those are Chic at $5.99 each. The Dove body wash, two of them at $7 each. There is the Irish Spring coupon. Yeah, there's the Irish Spring coupon. Those two $4 is for the Chic. The 7 is for the digital Dove. The 4 is for the digital Chic. The 2 is for what the heck the 2 is for? Oh, that's the Colgate digital. That $1 is for the other Irish Spring. Now, don't ask me what that $9 is. Don't ask me. I don't know. All I had was a $4 register reward from last week. So whatever that $9 is, as I said, don't ask me. I don't know. Okay? $11.93 out of pocket. Now, as you can tell, I started off with $71.07 in Walgreens cash, and I ended with $87.54. Now you see I have $16.47 that I earned this visit. $16.47. Now, the $16.47 is the $6 for the spending 25 get 6. The buy 3 for the shit get 3. So that's $9. So we're missing what? $7? Yeah, we are missing $7, right? That $7, as I had mentioned, over a period of time, if I spend, each spending was $15, if I believe it was, if I spend $15 like 4 trips, I get a $7 Walgreens cash. So now that $7 Walgreens cash paid off. And on top of that, I got the $4 register reward for doing the, this one is for doing the, whichever one. I don't know if it's for the Dove. It's either for the Dove. Hold on, hold on. Hold on, let's see, what am I missing? What am I missing? Where did I put that other register reward? Where did I put that other register reward? It's somewhere here. I got the 4 for doing the Dove, the 4 for doing the Colgate, and the 5 for doing the Irish Spring. I don't know where I put that other one. I guess it's, maybe it fell out in the car, but I know I had it this morning. So when you look at all of this, me paying only $11.93 out of pocket, getting $16 in Walgreens cash, plus two $4 two $4 register reward, and the $5 register reward. Oh my God, this, oh Jesus, this is a moneymaker. I just realized this is a $17.07 moneymaker. Oh my God, this is a $17.77 moneymaker. Guys, I kid you not, I did not realize it was a moneymaker. I thought that it was like free, but I didn't realize this was a moneymaker. Because let's go through it again. This is all I paid out of pocket, $11.93. And as I said, I started off with $71.07. And this visit, I earned $16. So I got $16 right there. Plus, I got two $4 register reward and the $5 register reward. Oh my God. Okay, calm down, Empress, calm down. Okay, so this was a $17.07 money maker. Oh, okay. Let's, let's pause and let's move over to these Shea Moisture products. So I didn't realize I had some digitals on my card, or I should say they reset, because the last time I used the $6 off 2, and I also used the $3 off 1. So these are buy one get one, 50% off. There is nothing back, nothing special. But let me show you guys this. Let me hush and show you guys the receipt. Shea Moisture, Shea Moisture, Shea Moisture. There is a 6. Okay, now I know where the $5 is. There is a $5 I used right there. I thought it fell out in the car. So there is a $6 off 2 digital and the $3 off 1 digital. I used that $5 I got this morning, the $5 register reward for the Irish Spring, and I used it towards that transaction, and I paid 97 cents out of pocket. So after all this, I didn't get anything back. So all 3 of this was 97 cents or 33 cents each. So I am dancing. I'm doing my Walgreens dance. Okay, with that being said, guys, take care, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye. Yes, Wags came through.